Hi creators! Welcome to our channel. If you're a WordPress programmer, you may have encountered this error before. It's called a warning, undefined variable. When you encounter the undefined variable error in WordPress, it means that the PHP code is trying to use a variable that has not been defined or initialized. To solve the undefined variable error, you need to make sure that the variable is defined and initialized before it is used. Here are some steps you can take. Check the line of code where the error occurs and identify the variable causing the issue. Step 2. Make sure the variable is defined before it is used. This means that the variable should have a value assigned to it, even if it is null or empty. Step 3. If the variable is supposed to be initialized by another function or script, make sure that it is being called correctly and in the proper order. Step 4. If the variable is defined in another file or script, make sure that file or script is properly included or required. Step 5. Check for syntax errors or missing semicolons, as these can also cause undefined variable errors. Step 6. Try using debugging tools such as print statements or a debugger to help identify the cause of the error. Step 7. Once you have identified and fixed the issue, run your script again to make sure that the error message no longer appears. Overall, the key to solving this error is to carefully examine your code and ensure that all variables are properly defined and initialized before they are used. If you think this video is helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more videos on WordPress errors.